Well, hello. Just wanted to make a quick video to say that yes, I'm still around, still doing stuff. I've just been very busy, and I've kind of been, whenever I've had some time looking at this, which I've had no time. So this is a Sony SL-HF400 Super Beta Hi-Fi VCR that I grabbed, and yeah, I was told it was in non-working shape, so I knew it wouldn't be working, and sure enough, it's not working. And me, knowing very little about beta mechanisms, yeah. And that's it. Doesn't load the tape, doesn't do anything, waits a few seconds, realizes it couldn't load it, and spits it out. So I haven't really gone into that yet. I'm hoping it's not something mechanical within here. This was broken. There's this little, you can see down there, that plastic piece. There's a little guide that goes in there that was broken. I believe the guy I got it from tried to force a tape out of here because the tape was jammed in. Sometimes it'll take the tape, it'll spit it out halfway and stop, and it's all over the place. One time it tried to load the tape halfway around and then tried to eject the tape while I was in there. Like, if this were a VHS machine, I would be saying mode switch, but I don't know anything about beta VCRs. I don't even know if there's some like rotary mode switch that tells it everything about what's going on. Like, these Sony machines are completely foreign to me, but I do want to get this working. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Kind of wasting my time on this thing. One thought that came to mind, I know Betamax man, before his account, I believe, has been terminated now. I don't know the ins and outs of it, but I mean, that really sucks. He was posting like 2 videos on machines a day for a while. So yeah, I hope that gets straightened out. I haven't heard anything, don't know how to contact him or whatever, or what the deal is, so yeah. Anyway, he mentioned, and him among other people mentioned, that there's a voltage regulator in the back here. Let's see if we can take a look down. That guy right there, that is known to go bad. And you'd essentially just have like a low voltage condition which could manifest in other ways around the machine. And one of them was a very dim power LED. Now, I could just be thinking too much into this, but that looks way dimmer than it should to me. And it could be that the VFD is just old and worn out, but that also looks, actually the camera picks this up way better than in real life. In real life, it looks more like that, like you can barely see these other digits. The tuner seems to work. It picks up cable just fine, so yeah, I was hoping I would plug in the tuner and just see it all dead and go, oh yeah, I should start looking at that. So my next point of attack is to try and find a service manual to find out what voltages I'm expecting out of this, and then I can double check that. And if all of this looks good, the next step will be trying for the life of me to understand how this works normally, when it works properly, and giving that a go. So anyway, I got some other videos coming along after that. This is just sort of my where I've been stuck, because I really want to get this thing working. This might be just sort of a waste of time, but I really want to get it working. And yeah, sure enough, nothing. Now it's being pretty consistent. One more thing to add about the condition of this, and this is unfortunate because it's usually a sign that someone's gone in there and mucked about. I believe there's normally a lens that goes over the remote sensor. I don't think I should be able to see it through the clear plastic on the front. As well, if you look down here, the little switches here are missing, the little plastic pieces. The switches are there on the board, but these little plastic pieces that clip onto the switch and then go there are missing. So that means that someone's been in here and mucked about, and I don't know if this is caused by them or not. So that's always fun.